This is the look we're going for today. So to start off with, I have already primed my eyes and applied my transition color. We're using basically all Huda Beauty the Mauve Obsessions palette, and my transition shade has been applied with this middle color here. We're going to go in with our Morphe M505, and we're going to go in with this pink shade here, and we're just going to build up our crease. Now we're going to go in back with that pink, and we're just going to bring the color down and onto our outer third. Next, we're going to go in with the darkest shade in the corner. It's kind of a burgundy type shade. We're going to go in there with our Morphe R618, which looks like this. It's like a bullet crease type brush. And we're going to use this to start to define our crease. So we're just going to apply this to our crease, and if you have hooded eyes, you would apply this just above your crease like I am doing to create more of a shadow. We're basically building this up for the intensity that we want and to really just define the shape of the eye. And go back in with your Morphe 505, the brush we were using before, and blend out your edges. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E28 and I'm going to go in to the second darkest shade. And I'm just going to apply this on the tip, and this brush goes to a really fine tip. I'm not sure if you're able to tell, but this allows us to do some detailed crease work while blending at the same time. So just work that color in and bring it along, and this is going to really give your eye some depth. I'm going to take my Morphe E36 for this, and I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance from ABH and grab Cypress Umber to define this crease even further. So we're just going to pack this on the outer corner and bring it up and bring it in, so we're creating a V. And we're going to start to cut this crease. So what you want to do is you want to look at where your fold is, especially if you have hooded eyes. So start in the middle and just touch and pull down like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open your eye all the way. Okay? And then you're going to look back down. See where it touched? Now you're going to create another line. Now when you open your eyes, no matter what, this concealer will be there, so there will be no transfer. So now just start filling in the inner part of your eyelid. Now you're going to open up your eye again to see where it transfers to, and start creating the partial cut crease. So once you have that, you're going to take your finger and you're going to blend inwards to soften that line. Now you're gonna go in with a wet brush, and we're gonna go in with this reflective color here. Start small, and this color applies best with your finger, but I want to, because we're doing such a precise application here, I want to do it with the brush first. So you will have to dip multiple times to get majority of the intensity that you're looking for. So now if we go in with our finger and tap that on top of our eyes, you see that metallic? The warmth of your finger makes the metallic come out. Now for our lower lash line, we're going to go in with the pink, build up to the darker colors. Now I'm going in with the Morphe 508, which looks like this. And I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber to deepen my lash line. Now we're gonna go into the glittery color and hit our inner corner. So I want the rest of my face to be fairly bronzy, so I'm going to use this bronze baked blush from Milani in Bellissimo bronze. For a little pop of pink, I'm going to go in with my Becca Prosecco Pop and Pommel Mousse. I'm just tapping. I don't even want to swipe, I just kind of want to deposit color and that's it. Now I'm taking my Nicole Guerrero highlight kit and I'm going to go in with Kitty Cat and Daydream. And I'm going to put that on my Morphe R5 from the Rose Gold collection. So we're just going to go into this and go into this, more of this, more of this. And we're just going to apply this to the cheek. Wow. Wow. For lips today, we're going to be using ColourPop's Ultra Matte in Thursday. And I'm not going to apply liner because I don't think I have one this color. So I'm just going to go in. So I want to thank you very much for stopping by and following along in this tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. And if you like these types of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and be sure to let me know that you stopped by so I can say hi to you. So say hi down in the comments and we'll chat it up. Until the next one, I will see you later.